Nice to see you.
Great to be back on set, Sarah, especially in a quarter where we had really strong results, as you said.
So you're not happy with the reaction?
No, I got to say it's hard to be happy with that one. We had 8% top-line growth operationally and 9% on the bottom line, led by companion animal. So we felt it was a really strong quarter.
The 14% growth in companion animal, I thought people were returning their pets.
No. I think the trends you're really seeing in pet care are really driven by more millennials and Gen Z adopting pets. You're also seeing more high-income people adopting pets, and everyone's spending more time with those pets. So I think those are really trends that are going to really continue. And what you're seeing is it's driving for us, especially given our innovation, tremendous growth across both parasiticides, dermatology, and our monoclonal antibodies.
So the pace of veterinary visits, you expect to keep up at these high levels?
You know, we expected veterinary visits to come in about where they are. There's a lot of focus on that. A few things I'd say. They're up from 2019 levels. I think you saw in 2021 some phenomenal vet visits with a lot of new puppies have to come in every few weeks, as you know. And so we really are seeing a trajectory up, but we expected it to flatten. I think the focus for us is really on spend per visit, which is still trending, 7-8% in Q1 and Q2 above where it was a year ago. So spend per visit's really been driven by innovation, and customers willing to spend, as we said, and that's why we believe Zoetis is really a recession-resistant industry. Pet care owners are still willing to spend. 86% of them would spend whatever it takes to care for their pets.
So the guidance cut, I know foreign exchange is a problem. You're very international. But is that it?
So we didn't really cut guidance. What we did was we narrowed the revenue range and kept the midpoint where it was. And that really had to do with the confidence in the strength of underlying demand in the second half of the year. And then if you look at adjusted net income, we, the operational range of, moved it up 1%. So actually increased the midpoint of the range there. And that, again, is confidence in the demand of our business and in the growth in the second half of the year.
What about inflation? How does it affect you both from the input side and what you're doing on prices?
Yeah, inflation's affecting everybody. We took in the U.S. companion animal business about a 5% price increase this year. And we're seeing overall, as you look at 2019 to today in vet clinics, and their revenue is up 20%. So I think it's, again, a space where, vet clinics as well as, companies like Zoetis have been able to take price. It's clearly harder for us in our livestock business. So on the quarters you probably saw, we only took about 3% overall on price. But we really, again, back to the trends we're talking about, the strength of the pet care industry, the innovation that we're bringing to it has helped us really weather these trends.
So you mentioned livestock. It's been a weaker spot in the portfolio, though I think the numbers did come out better than expected in that group today. When do you see that turning, if at all?
Yeah, we have to finish lapping the generic entry competition we got on our big product, Draxxin, and we'll be able to do that in 2023. We really see livestock going back to its, traditional growth rate around 3 or 4%, and we're really investing in innovation to get above the market growth. Looking at new therapies, vector vaccines, vaccines in swine and aquaculture, as well as immunotherapies and precision livestock farming.
How do you view the economy through that lens? Because I know we were talking about during COVID, people weren't eating out as much, and therefore livestock was a little bit weak. What are you seeing right now?
It's still under pressure from a few reasons. One, input costs to producers are still really high. If you're any consumer going to the supermarket right now, the price of your chicken or your beef is really high. So I think it's still, got some headwinds as we look into it. But I think as you look at some of the big drivers for us, China, we really believe, is going to return to growth as pork prices in China are returning. COVID really hurt them in the first half of the year, as you know. So we really do believe the macro drivers. You're still seeing population growth, growing middle class, and more urbanization, which will overall drive that livestock business in the medium term.